In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Seasonality widget in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you're on any chart. This can be a stock, a forex pair, crypto, or any other instrument you like to analyze. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the price candles, we're ready to begin. On the top of your chart, look for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the time frames and other tools at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can find built-in tools, community scripts, and any custom indicators you've saved. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so you can type into it. This search bar is very powerful, and using it is the fastest way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists of tools. Now, in the search box, start typing Seasonality or Seasonality Widget. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results. You should see indicators and widgets related to seasonality appear below. Take a moment to look through the results and find the Seasonality widget you want to use. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. After you click, the Seasonality widget should appear either as an overlay on your price chart or in a separate pane below, depending on how it's designed. If you don't see it right away, check the list of active indicators at the top of your chart to confirm it's been applied. You can also open the settings for the widget by hovering over its name and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can tweak inputs, colors, and display options so it better fits your trading style and is easy to read. Remember that this widget is available in TradingView Pro, so if you're on the free version and you don't see it, or you're limited by the number of indicators you can add, consider upgrading. I've placed my affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks more features, more indicators on your chart, and a smoother overall experience. And that's all you need to do. Open Indicators, use the search box, look for the Seasonality widget, and add it to your chart to start exploring seasonal patterns in your markets.